What's happening, guys? Junior's taking you back on another one. Now, as you know, if you check up in the links as well as in the description, we've worked with a company called Easy SMX quite a few times for the likes of their console controllers, the likes of working for everything from your PC, Xbox, PlayStations to Android and iOS phones. Now, the one thing that I have enjoyed about them is their gaming headsets. And today we're looking at I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing right, the Granny headset. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, but that's what we're looking at today from Easy SMX. Let's get into it. So this is what we're looking at. This is the Easy SMX Granny gaming headset. This is the EHP-61D 2.4 gigahertz wireless headset. So this is for your PC, PS4, PS5, Android, iOS, Switch, mobile phone, tablet, absolutely everything. So you know fine well this is going to be an all-round headset you can use with all your devices. Now we do have things on the side, a little bit about music, movies, chat, as well as gaming. And it does say comfortable earpads, soft, breathable, and long-lasting wear. That's definitely one thing to look into. So, first of all, they do come in quite a nice little bag here. So, as we can see, we do have the Easy SMX logo going on there, which is a little bit of a darker black, which is quite cool. So, let's get them out, see what we're working with. So, this is all we get. We do get a little Gamer's Choice warranty card here, I believe. This is going to tell you everything about if you were happy, if you weren't happy. We do get a little user manual here. This is just going to tell you everything you need to know about them. All the different modes, what you get in the box, the dual mode wired connection, Bluetooth connection. It's going to tell you everything you need to know. We do get a USB to USB Type-C charging cable going on there. Like I said, these are wireless headphones. And then we also get the 2.4 gigahertz receiver, which is quite cool. Little USB there. This is just going to be a little receiver here, so it's just going to plug it straight into your device. If you're going to use it on the 2.4 gigahertz mode. If not, they do have Bluetooth function as well, which we're going to go into just now. Now, the headphones themselves, let's talk about them. We do have all plastic design going from one side of the cup to the other, which is actually quite nice, as we can see there. They do have a few accents going on at the top as well, which is just going to give it that little bit more of a gamer vibe. So we'll start from one cup and we'll work our way around. So, starting with the right cup, nothing exciting going on. We do have the Easy SMX logo going on there, as well as two mesh sides either side, just to giving it that little bit more of a vibe look, as well as their orange logo. But apart from that, we don't have anything else on the side. It's all on the other port. So with start again. With the size of the earmuffs as well, they do have quite a large amount of cushion going on there, so you know fine well they are going to be extremely comfortable for wearing. They are definitely a different design compared to what we used to. Either you have like the more rectangular style or the circular style. These have went for more of like a diamond shape, I want to say, or a square to a peak style, which isn't bad, don't get me wrong. Definitely different, but then again, I'm sure they're going to be comfy as anything. I like that. Wow, they are comfortable. I have to admit, they actually are really comfy. On the top here, as you can see there, we do have quite a large amount of cushion as well at the top, which is going to allow you for that support. It's allowing you to wear them for a long-lasting amount of time. You're not going to get uncomfortable while wearing them, which is pretty cool. So we'll go to the left earmuff. So obviously, left earmuff does have the adjustable microphone, which can move fully down and up away. But then the microphone itself does have more of like a stronger bar, which can just be simply manipulated and moved out the way, depending if you want it closer to your face, or if you want it fully extended, or if you just want it out altogether, so you don't have to worry about that. So on the bottom here, we do have the mute and unmute button. We do have the USB Type-C connection going on there, as well as we have the simple on-off switch, LED button, and also volume control. So they put all the buttons and switches onto one earmuff, so it's not as complicated as it would be some on the right, some on the left, and even on a controller. So they've manipulated it so they've got everything just on one earmuff. So if I turn these on, hopefully they've got a little bit of battery. They do. So as we can see, they are RGB controlled. As it's going through there, we can see that it's cycling through all the different type of RGB functions, which is pretty cool. And then if we click the LED button, give that a hold, turns it off, hold it again, turns it back on, and you're pretty much good to go. And then it's just going to cycle back through all the RGB functions, which is pretty cool and very nice, I have to admit. So, a little bit different what we're going to do today. I'm actually going to see if I can get these connected up to OBS Studio and actually use these as a microphone so I can show you guys roughly what they sound like. So I'll be 1 minute. Okay, so I currently have the microphone for the headset on, as we can tell. Sorry for the noise. But this is currently what it sounds like. I haven't done this in the past, and I really should do it with more of my videos when it comes to actually testing the microphone out. I keep forgetting that I can add these headphones through OBS Studio, just so you guys can actually hear what the microphone sounds like. I have no filters or anything added onto this. This was just as simple as adding an audio dice through OBS Studio, sorry. And this is pretty much what it sounds like. So you'll definitely have to let me know in the comment section of how you feel this roughly sounds. I'm also monitoring my own voice, and I have to admit, it is really clear. There's no feedback. Normally, with headphones, as soon as you stop talking or stop listening to something, you get like a little bit of feedback. I don't know if it's the frequency or because it's like older headsets, normally you get it. With these, I've got nothing. I can only just hear the outside noise when I'm not talking and not listening to my own voice, which I do enjoy. I don't like to hear a massive amount of background noise when I've got headphones on. It gets a little bit distracting. Sound quality. Sound quality is amazing, I have to admit. So I tried it watching videos in gameplay as well as like simple edits, just like small little edits to try and hear like smaller tones and messing around with a bit of audio. And it was clear as day. It was crystal clear. Like I said, when it comes to microphone, you guys will have to let me know that. But simply me just talking now, I can hear myself talking, obviously through the headset as well. And it is really clear. It really is. The bass is great and the treble is great. But the one thing I did enjoy is the likes of the sound traveling from the left side to the right side. Now, when you're playing Warzone or Call of Duty or whatever first person shooter games, if you're going forward and you've got someone on your left shooting, predominantly you'll hear it in the left side of your ear cup. And then if they move shooting, you'll then hear it in your right. That's one thing I found with these that was really, really clear and quite a little bit of an advantage of when you're actually playing some games. So I definitely have to admit, from that point of view, really good. So definitely a massive thumbs up from me. They look really cool. Like I love the design. The matter of fact, they haven't just went for a basic circle or square design. They've added a little bit of a flair into it. And then you've also got your RGB lights, which are just on the side there. That's going to swap and change for all different variations of RGB. That again, I did enjoy. So I'm currently using it through Bluetooth. You can use it through the 2.4 gigahertz receiver if you don't have a Bluetooth function. For the likes of, I don't know, a PlayStation or like an Xbox, I don't use them myself. I do have them, but I don't use them. So you might have to use the 2.4 gigahertz receiver. And then we also have the USB to USB Type C cable as well. So this is going to allow you to charge the headset. So this is completely wire free, no wires, no interruptions, and no worries. So if you do want to go check one of these out for yourself, please do check the links in the video description. There'll be a link there dedicated to the Easy SMX website, so you can go check them out for yourself. If you grab a pair and you've got any issues or you just want to simply ask some questions, the comment section is always open to anyone. And in the end of the day, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any further videos. And I hope you have an amazing day.